You good?
Yeah,
y'all
we
ready?
got it. We got it.
Here she comes.
Tell me, bro.
No, he good. He good.
Hey, you be safe, bro.
Yeah, man. I'll get up with y'all later.
All right.
Y'all take it easy.
You too,
You
man.
too.
Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get my high beam going. High beam, low beam.
Going ain't working either?
I don't think so. Yeah, I ain't got no horn. Let's hear how it sounds now.
Where the hell is
Oh, we did it!
Oh, it works. It sounds good. It sounds like it's running healthy. It sounds like it's running healthy.
I knew it because to be the battery's not getting that much charge just yet, so that's the reason why.
I don't know where the other spring went. I'll find it though, eventually. I'll just see it sitting somewhere. I found it. What about high beam?
That is my high beam.
Oh, that is your high? Oh.
I got something about my low beam.
Wait, what?
Perfect. Never mind, it worked.
Low beam and high beam?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You said what?
Yeah, I had to make it charge a little bit longer, and then it started working.